Geoff has bought a camper van.
It looks like that. And it's basically good to go. A sponge, a gas hob, a fridge, and an oven, and a heater. Oh, let me show you the bathroom as well, because at the back it has a shower and a toilet. And I don't believe in doing number twos in a camper van. So if you're removing the toilet and shower, you then don't need a 200-litre water tank. So the water tank is going to go. All of this is going to go. It's all getting ripped out, and the bathroom's going to go. We're doing quite a lot of changes to it. Phil's coming tomorrow, and I've said, I bet I can get all of this out before he arrives. Right, I'm going to hit this with hammer. This is the moment the toilet's going to come out, and I don't know how bad it's going to be, so I thought I'd film it. See you. But I'm hoping we'll get rid of the smell of wee soon. 30 years of old man wee has been going down the back of there, and the pile of stuff that we've taken out is growing. I'm going to keep tearing away at this until eventually we get to a point where we can start rebuilding it. Yeah, it's quite an involved job. Have some faith, please. Today, these are coming out. Mrs. Geoff wants these out. And those. There is electrics and wires and plumbing everywhere. And now, nowhere, which is great. I'm loving the fact that we've got these bottle tops up here as well. Most of a camper van inside a Volvo. That's why you have a Volvo state, you see. A trip to the tip tomorrow. Structural piece, that.
It's amazing what £5 will buy you, isn't it?
Yeah. It is empty. Right, I've decided something. In my van, I want more windows. We've got a free Caravan, and it's got everything we need on it. The proper job. So much easier if you just cut straight through the wood then. That looks like it was always there. Can you move it down an inch? No, that's great. Nice and airy. Beautiful. We're getting stuff set up ready so that I can patch the bad areas of floor tomorrow. As you can see, it's not peeling off like the rotten stuff was. So although it's damp, it's not totally like, it's still got some strength. I'm on the roof. Hang on, I'll show you. So if you look at this, the roof is covered in all this sort of stuff. But I've decided to go whole hog and do it right. So I'm going to strip this whole roof, and then I'm going to paint it. And then I'm also going to paint the roof rack as well. So, I mean, you don't want to see me filming stripping a roof. So I'll just do it, and then I'll show you when it's finished. Cool. That's filler.
Well, it's called
Filler. Copyright, mate. Copyright.
Anyway,
Just keep your eye on the distance.
I'm fully impressed, mate.
If you can keep your eye on the distance for wildcats, because Worcestershire is known
Oh yeah,
for its
on
population.
the horizon.
Yeah, it's known for a population of wildcats.
Yeah.
Successful leak test.
Great news. There he is, a man in his camper van.
Loving it.
Hey!
The damn thing is watertight, and we can carry on with the interior. I did it. It is completely sealed. We've boarded the van. We've water tested the roof. I'm finishing up with the boarding. There was a big moulded rear section here where all the brake lights and everything were housed. Took it all off. You're not feeling any of it? What, the whole van? Yeah. No, it's so much better than it was yesterday. Colin's just cutting the last board while I glue in the last pieces of insulation. Blood, sweat and tears went into part 16.
Yeah, the best is yet to come.
That's what they say. And that is... Are you shooting me with a staple gun?
Very sharp, sharpest blade you can get.
Yeah, brand new one coming out.
Shit! All 50 blades at once.
No. It's alright, it's easy to pick up Stanley blades with your fingers.
Yeah, they didn't make them Geoff-proof, did they?
No.
I'll show you inside, because inside's actually way better than outside. The floor has still got blood all over it, but inside is done and ready. The back wall is green. This wall is this lovely pattern. And then we've got the kitchen area is Mrs. G's strawberry plants. And the bed area is all painted white. Lovely.
I need to tidy up your mess. I mean, I've got it all over the door.
You've got your mess all over the door.
What about the window?
It's a family show.
It's a family show. Hopefully no one's
clean.
Hopefully no one's filming it.
And there we go. That's it, look. And Lionel is finished. Brilliant. Very good. Nice one, Lionel. No, but the thing is, we're only doing this once, and that's why we're doing it 3 times. We painted it this colour, and it's way better than the green. If you remember, we did Viennetta, and then we lost the love for it, so we painted it again. We've got some window seals that have been done. Absolutely beautiful. New window seals all the way through. Once you've got your ladder ready, you simply attach it to the roof of your 2 Volvos, and that allows you to walk along the middle and paint your roof. There you go. Easy tips from Geoff Buys Cars. What you do is you cover up all the blue with tape, and then you paint everything that's left. And that's how we colour match all the seals. And it works really well. It's just really tedious. It takes forever. This is a cool moment now, because the completely custom wood wrap light bar that was just an idea on Photoshop has now become reality. At the back, we're putting this beautiful checker plate panel on, and the checker plate panel will hold the light bar. When you cut all that out, all that can be cleaned up. But
Has that been done already?
Possibly. Phil has welded up this bit. That's now attached, and it was all working until I decided that we needed to rebuild the rear storage area. This is a piece of very nice furniture that Mrs. G and I bought some years ago, and it is about to be repurposed as a worktop. I would have just gone out and bought a piece of worktop that looked a bit like walnut.
Well, at least you haven't had to pay 400 quid for this.
Yeah, that's true. This is the feeling of the sink. Were you there as well?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, in sweet harmony.
We have full-size bunk beds in the back for the children. Mattresses will go on here. Then we're going to do skirting boards. All of the edging pieces are going to be done there. And then we've got a blank space, which is for potential storage. And then we've got the beautiful kitchen unit. Table's just off Facebook Marketplace. We're going to repurpose that later on. Yeah, when I said we were going all out, we are going all out. Absolutely beautiful in here. Yeah, look how secure the table is.
Tight fit.
It's very sturdy. Using just simple tools.
Just whip it.
That's then got a bracket like that, and then you're left with this little shelf, which means when you're chilling, you've got space for a cup of tea. All of this will be cleaned up and varnished or whatnot. But that is a beautiful little, very simple solution. Table coming in, Janet.
Very simple solution to an incredibly difficult problem.
Yeah.
I'm joking.
A table.
Yeah.
Big moment this. Grill's going back on. And that's kind of where we finished this video. There's still some work to do on the interior, obviously, so there will be a complete video on the interior. But basically, at this stage, we're getting there now. Things have slowed down towards the end of the build. We've been busy. Summer's here. There's lots going on. I had a week off because I was, basically lying in bed moaning about the pain in my teeth. But, yeah, progress is not bad at all. Not bad at all. Probably another, 3 weeks. Thanks for watching.